RCB4 algorithm CONT easy to implement, no complicated or time consuming operation. 2 phases: initialization, data table constructed from key, data run, trust and encrypted, both on the same packet, strength, weakness. Initialization vectors IV, key length 40 or 104 or 128 bits, fixed key value, different IV value 24 bit, combination of key plus IV for encryption. IV is not secret. IV is reused. 24 bit implementation issues. Encryption using IV. Encryption using IV এর figure. Combinate RCB4 KUI IV secret key, IV secret key, তারপর RC4 algorithm, CBA and WEP keys, default DEFAULT default, key mapping KEY key mapping, fixed length static, shared configuration distribution, symmetric default keys, one default key for security, multiple key to sense key smoothly, active key, directional key use, key ID bits, default and key mapping key. Figure 4 default and key mapping keys. ফিগারটা হলো STAY key is equal to ABC, AP key is equal to ABC, STAZ key is equal to ABC, STX key is equal to ABC, STAY KEY is equal to GHI, STAZ KUY is equal to KLM, STAX KUY is equal to DEF, AP KUYX is equal to DEF, KEY is equal to GHI, KUYZ is equal to KLM. Default DEFAULT and key mapping keys. Default keys figure 5. Before changing keys, APSTA ABCDEF, default key, active key. Default key content, APSTA ABCDF, default key, active key, editing a second default key content, APSTA ABCDF, JKL MNP, default key, active key এখানে figure 7, use of both old and new keys. Default keys counted, A, P, S, T, A, B, C, D, E, F, A, B, C, D, E, F, J, K, L, M, N, P, J, K, L, M, N, P, default keys, active key, completed key update, key mapping key, different key for different device, not all manufacturers support, complex to configure and maintain, unicast or multicast issues, memory space PS space of AP, more APS copy all difficult and error prone, messiness of WEP, fragmentation, integrity check value, preparing frame for transmission, RCB4 encryption algorithm, fragmentation IEEE 802.11 MAC service layer, MSDU is broken into AMPDU, typically 1500 bytes, at some bytes called ICV. Integrity check value ICV, prevent from tampering, works on encrypted and unencrypted message, adds 4 bytes to the frame. Similar to CRC, ICV count, computed checks D8 data ICV, encrypt, figure 9 editing ICV, frame for transmission after ICV, appended frame is ready, select IV, append to secret WEP key, initialize the RC4 encryption engine. Finally, process is BYT from the combined data and ICV into the encryption engine. 4 bytes, first 3 IV, fourth 1 key ID number. Place MAC header and CRC value. If you run the data through encryption process, you will get the original data, IV and key ID, unencrypted IV key ID, data ICV, encrypted, editing the IV and key ID bits, RC4 encryption algorithm. Used for both encryption and decryption. Simple to implement, very strong if used in right way. Fourth, cipher by run request, generated a sequence of bits, key stream, combine with data using XOR, SBox and XBox array. RCB4, J is equal to value in first bits of SBox bracket close plus bracket start value in first byte of K minus box bracket close. J is a single byte value and any overflow in the addition is ignored. Algorithm for key setup. I is equal to J is equal to 0 for I is equal to 0 to 255, do G is equal to J plus Si plus Ki is A mod mode to 256 SWP Si and Hg end.